the Philippine National Budget has quite taken a buzz recently, and in line with the Captain Raymor Cuevas challenge on Gemini Arena, I have thought of doing the life cycle, of using Nano Banana in producing or illustrating the cycle of the Philippine National Budget. Let's go with the Gemini. So in here, I have input the prompt, create the Philippine National Budget Cycle in an isometric infographic illustration in a friendly SimCity art style showing a complex factory machine labeled Philippine Budget Cycle. Let's go. We got it here. I'll show it to the screen, guys. There, the Philippine Budget Cycle. First, there's this budget preparation from agency proposals, citizen input, whatever, then from to the Congress, the House of Representatives, and the Senate. If there is a bicameral, then bicameral conference committee, then proceeds to DBM. Wow! Philippine budget cycle is really complex based on this illustration, but yeah, it's kind of nice. It's kind of nice, guys. I love also the art style. Looking at this illustration, you're looking at it like a sim in a sim city, really.